Hi guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made and installed my own clip-ins. This is my hair. I recently cut off a lot of my hair, so this is just my hair washed and pressed and cut. So this is what my hair looks like with the clip-ins installed. I am using 20 inches of Brazilian Kinky straight hair. It was sent to me from IShow Hair Company on AliExpress. So just a disclaimer, this video is just an installation video. The final outcome could look a lot better if it was styled, but this isn't just styling, this is just the installation portion. So start off with your Kinky straight weft, and you're going to fold it in half so that we can double our tracks and make everything look so much fuller. Then you're going to be taking a needle and sewing the weft together just to have one single weft. So I'm sewing in and out of my weft, making sure to leave no gaps and no spaces, and making sure that the entire weft is sturdy. So now you're going to line up your clip. These clips probably cost me about $4.99 and it came in a large pack. So you're going to line it up, go through your weft, and go through the holes on the clip. So as you can see, there are 5 holes total on the clip. You want to sew through the holes 2 times. So basically you're doubling, making sure the loop goes around 2 times. This is just going to increase the security of our clips to make sure that they don't fall off. So here's an up close of me just going through the hole, then going through the 2 wefts, and then pulling through. So here I am finishing up the weft. As you can see, I'm just going through my holes again and again like I said. Try to use a straight needle or a smaller curved needle. My needle, the end of it was a little bit big, so it was hard for me to pull through and it created some tension. So using a smaller curved needle or a straight needle will be your best bet. So when you're done, you'll have a clip-in track that looks something like this. So here's my hair again. As I was saying earlier, I recently cut a lot of my hair off. I was getting a lot of sew-in, so my hair was growing pretty long. As you can see, it almost came to bra strap length, so I probably cut off about 3 to 4 inches. So then here's my hair in a natural sock bun. This is pretty much my go-to style, as I don't like to wear my hair down or straight. And then here's my hair in a natural hair bun. This was pretty much my favorite style. And then here's my hair as I'm washing and conditioning it. It does get very, very curly. So I really do like my hair. It was just becoming kind of hard to maintain, and I wanted to start over because it was so damaged. So I just cut it off and starting again. So here's your weft. Get your weft, brush it through, make sure everything is nice and soft, and then start to comb out your hair. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to take your comb and you're going to section up your hair. So for the sake of this video, I cannot see what I'm doing, so I'm sorry that my lines are very, very uneven. You're going to see that. So now I'm just teasing because I have thin hair and I want to make sure my clip-ins can stay and have something to latch onto. So I'm just applying my clip-ins. You just put in the comb and you snap it shut. It's pretty simple. So you're just going to continue to part your hair. Like I said, don't judge on the way how I was parting my hair. I couldn't see, and this is my first time installing clip-ins. So yes, you're just going to part it, tease it if you have thin hair so that the clip-ins have something to latch onto, and then apply and snap in your clip-ins. So this is what the 2 rows of clip-ins look like already. As you can see, it looks already pretty natural and already full. So you're just going to continue the process of parting your hair, teasing it, and applying the clip-ins, and you're just going to do this working all the way up. So in between, you're supposed to leave your natural hair out, that way it blends better. I found that even if you have thick hair, teasing the root makes the installation looks a lot more full, but if you're not going for that look, you do not have to do this. Yet I have thin hair, so I definitely wanted to tease my roots to make everything look as voluminous as possible. The only difficult part in the whole entire installation was trying to keep everything 100% even, so just try your best to keep it all leveled. So just in case you were wondering, the front of my hair is damaged. I had a leave out sew-in a while back and it just pretty much damaged my hair because I was straightening it every day and it really affected my edges. So my edges aren't straightened in this video, but I was okay with it because this is kinky straight hair, so it's made to kind of look like our hair, so it wasn't that hard blending it all together. So with that being said, if any of you guys have any tips or products for growing your edges and just increasing the thickness of your hair, please leave it in the comment section below and I would really appreciate that. So now I'm just taking out the leave out portion. I didn't leave that much hair out in my opinion. But I did have some extra clips left, so I could have added in a little more and added some more pieces to add some more volume. But I just wanted to see what my hair would look like if I just left out this much, and I think it looked pretty good. Just another disclaimer, this is just an installation video, so I think my hair looks pretty good for it not being touched or styled. So that is it. This is pretty much the finished product. Once again, this is not my hairstyle, this is just installed. And although I didn't install it for a ponytail style, as you can see, you can put your hair in a ponytail. I think I put in a good amount of hair, so it doesn't look way too bulky, but it doesn't look way too thin. Like, it looks natural, like it could be my own. But this is just the hair installed. I'll definitely have some styling videos so you guys can see what styles you want to wear it in. But that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.